In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Open to Work on LinkedIn, a particularly helpful feature if you're actively looking for new job opportunities. Let's go through this step by step, making sure each part is clear and easy to follow so that you can get noticed by potential employers quickly. First, you want to head over to LinkedIn. Simply open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you haven't signed into your account yet, you'll need to do that next. Look for the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it, enter your login details, your email and password, and hit Enter to access your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you might be prompted to provide a verification code, so have your phone nearby just in case. Once you're signed in, find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. This is your starting point for not just finding jobs, but also networking and following industry trends. Your homepage is a hub of activity. Here you'll see updates from your network, news in your field, and more. From here, navigate to your profile page. Do this by clicking on your profile picture or your name, both of which are typically located at the top of the page. Your profile page is a personal space where you showcase your professional journey. So you want all the information here to be up to date and appealing to prospective employers. On your profile page, you will see a button labeled Open To. Clicking this reveals a few options related to job preferences and recruitment settings. What you need to focus on is the option that says Finding a New Job. By selecting this, you're expressing your openness to new job opportunities, which allows recruiters and companies to better find and approach you with positions that match your skills and interests. If you haven't already set up your job preferences, you'll get the chance to specify the titles you're interested in, the locations you are willing to work in, and other important details. Fill these in as thoroughly as you can to ensure you're aligning with the right roles and geography. And that's it. By completing these steps, you're now marked as Open to Work on LinkedIn. This status is discreetly visible to recruiters and companies with LinkedIn recruiter accounts, allowing them to know you're ready for new opportunities. Make sure to keep your LinkedIn profile updated and engaging, highlighting your skills, experiences, and projects so you stand out even more. Stay active on the platform, engage with your network, and keep an eye on job postings. Happy job hunting!